Ever pondered the magic behind businesses seamlessly keeping track of their products throughout the convoluted supply chain? It's not magic, but the brilliance of technology, and one company stands out in providing this: Smidnya Technologies. Picture this, a global pharmaceutical company struggling with the daunting task of tracking its plethora of products from manufacturing to the hands of the end user. Enter Smidnya with their cutting-edge track and trace solutions. With a combination of hardware and software technologies, Smidnya provided real-time visibility into the location and status of their products. The result? A dramatic improvement in supply chain efficiency, plummeting costs, and a surge in customer satisfaction. Not to mention, the company now effortlessly meets regulatory compliance and has a robust defense against counterfeiting and theft. But the beauty of Smidnya's solutions lies in their adaptability. From barcode scanning to RFID tracking, from GPS tracking to temperature monitoring, Smidnya customizes its offerings to the specific needs of different industries and businesses. Whether it's pharmaceuticals, food and beverage, automotive or logistics, Smidnya has got it covered. Now, let's take a peek into the world of industrial vision systems. Imagine a setting where cameras and image processing algorithms work in harmony to perform automated inspections, measurements, and analyses. Sounds futuristic? Well, it's not. It's happening right now thanks to Smidnya's vision systems. These systems are revolutionizing industries from automotive to electronics by detecting defects, identifying and classifying objects, and providing real-time feedback to control systems. Quality control, defect detection, assembly verification, robotic guidance, packaging inspection, you name it, Smidnya's vision systems can do it. In a nutshell, Smidnya Technologies is not just about providing solutions, it's about transforming businesses, improving processes, and ensuring product quality. It's about paving the path to the future. Intrigued? Reach out to Smidnya for more information or a demo. Unleash the power of technology. With Smidnya, it's not just about staying in the game, it's about leading it.